Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fire text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word fiery and I'm going to select this font. You can use any font that you want, of course. I'm just going to adjust this text a little bit more and I'm going to select the color orange for it. You can also do like a gradient, but I don't think it'll show that much. I'll just try it to see if it'll show. But actually I don't think it'll show, so I'm just going to stick with this orange one. And I'm going to then right click, create compound clip. Then in video effects, you're going to search for fire. Just type in fire and just try to like select every fire effect like this one and just place it in the side of the text. So I selected it and I dragged it in the side of the text. And I'm doing that to almost all the effects there is that has like fire effects to it. So it looks like this. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!